last will at the Dewachen Dharma Gathering aspire to take rebirth in Dewachen, and keep this in mind constantly. This is my first piece of advice. Make great effort to stop killing any sentient beings, please. And thank you. This is my second advice. Have a good heart toward everyone, superior, inferior, and equal to you. This is my third advice. These three pieces of advice embody the entire Buddhdharma. This gathering might be our last one, though I hope it is not. My wish is that we see one another again, and I aspire to meet you again in this life. However, it might happen that I will soon leave this world. If I die, you might say we should find his reincarnation. But if I have some control, I would not like to take rebirth in this world soon after I die. I always think that after I die I will see Buddha Amitabha and Dewachen.